Oke, silakan pembukaan dulu.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irfan Aldiansah. I'm from SMKN 1 Boyolangu. Major atau jurusan TJKT. Today we are starting to today our topic is the definition of web programming. Starting from me, for me, definition of programming is writing the necessary source code to create a website, such as HTML page, JavaScript, or any other that requires to run in the web server. So let's move on the next person. Agna Nova, please introduce yourself.
Okay, first of all, hello everyone. My name is Aknan Naval. I am student of PENS from semester 2, which will be semester 3 the next year. And then I'm studying major at software engineering, as also known as Teknik Informatika. Okay, from me first, okay. What is uh, web programming? Wait, should I explain it first or introduce first?
Yeah, you can introduce yourself first, then tell us what is your definition of web programming.
Okay. So, as a college student of software engineering, understanding the concept and principle of web programming is essential in today's digital age. Web programming plays a vital role in the creation of dynamic website and web application that facilitate communication, commerce, and entertainment across the internet. This essay aims to explore the definition of web programming, its key component, and its significance in the modern world of software development. Understanding web programming. Web programming refers to the process of creating and maintaining websites and web applications using programming language, framework, and other tools. It involves the development of both client-side and server-side components, which work together to deliver a seamless user experience. Web programming combines various technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more server-side language to design and implement interactive web interface. Okay, I think that's my definition of web programming. Is there any question?
So, does in PENS you learn more deep into programming?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
In PENS, do you learn deep into programming?
Well, in PENS, we learn about the backside. It's not the web programming, but it's the server side. So we are organizing the data, the SQL and etc.
Basis data.
So yes, also known as basis data in Indonesia.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Next on to the third person, Anabella Sinara. Can you introduce yourself?
I will introduce myself. My name is Annabella Cinara Ibatu Abjanarko. People usually call me Cinara. I'm majoring in TKV. I'm from SMK PGI 13 Surabaya. Okay, what is web programming? Web programming is the process of creating instructions for creating internet-based program or application that can be accessed via a browser. Making this program is usually in the form of website, software, Android application, and others. Programming starts from several steps such as writing, testing, revising, evaluating, and testing again. So it can be included that the programming is the process of creating web page. That's it.
Thank you. So I'll ask some question to everyone here. My first question is, what is the most important part of making or programming a website for you? N- For first, I'll ask Agnanova, what is your answer to my question? Or should
Can you
I
repeat the
repeat it
question?
again? Okay. My first question is for you, what is the most important aspect of what is the important things to do first when you
Okay.
try when you try programming a website?
Oh, okay.
What is the
Uh,
important part?
okay. First of all, when you want to program something, you need to be so specific, so detailed, because one error word, such maybe you forgot to add comma or dot or even any random word, it can error your code. So the first important thing to code programming language is to detail again and review your code. Is there any problem? Because one word, one fail word can cause to great error, which can make us like confused. What is wrong when the only thing wrong is like comma or dot or even uh, double dot. Such thing. So yeah, the important thing to programming from me is reviewing again your code before running it.
Yeah, thank you, Agnanova.
Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem. Next one, Annabella Sinara. What about you?
Can you repeat the question?
Sure. So my question is, what is the most important thing to do when you first try making or programming a website?
Hmm. Okay. At first, hmm,
Uh, wait. Sinara, you are from the cafe, right?
Yes.
yes.
Uh, do you ever make a website? I mean, before this?
Not yet.
Mm.
Not yet.
Not yet. So Sinara cannot answer that question yet.
Okay. Shall we change the question then?
Maybe
Hmm.
what programming language you try to achieve right now?
Or you're trying to learn?
Yes, what programming language?
Okay, let me change the question. What is it that you find most interesting in programming a website?
Uh,
Ah, apa sih yang membuat
I
kamu
don't
tertarik
know.
Oke,
Yeah.
bahasa
nge-program
Indonesia juga
website?
nggak apa-apa kok.
Ya, ntar takat ya.
Nggak
Mungkin
apa,
aja.
biar dressnya lama juga.
Misalnya masih baru apa ya? Baru belajar gitu. Baru
Belajar
tadi
apa?
belajarnya.
Iya sama, aku juga
Baru
baru belajar.
tadi belajar program web. Tapi tadi nggak dengerin.
Oh, Zoom-nya.
What happened?
Ya Zoom-nya dengerin sih, tapi ya nggak semuanya. Saya lagi buat telling apa? Storytelling tadi.
No.
Okay. Maybe we can ask about web programming. What do you know about? I mean, what makes you interesting?
Yeah, that's literally my question. So it's weird, but I'll take it.
Yes.
Oke, coba ulangin pakai bahasa Indonesia ya. Pertanyaanku, apa yang menurut kamu paling menarik dari pemrograman website? Misal dari yang diajarin tadi itu yang paling menarik apa? For me, most interesting is that you can edit it the way you like. As first you made HTML, then you can style it or editing the website the way you want it to be. That's what I find most interesting. So, what about you, Annabella?
Apa ya? I don't know ya. Maybe maybe we can make the web programming.
Kalau sama nggak apa-apa kok, beneran.
Misalnya udah tahu.
Kalau itu, for now let's switch it to Agna Naval. What about you? What is it that you find most interesting in web programming?
Okay. Actually, there is a lot from web programming. I mean, from web programming itself, we can study the basic of what a programming is, not just a web. We can make a mobile, we can make a desktop, and also maybe making something bigger than that. And for this instance, we're talking about web programming, and what makes me interested in it is because the potential of this web programming to become business is so big. We can make a website for other people, and the other people pay us. I mean, it's like yeah, it's make you like easy money to make from web programming, especially when you expertise on it. When you learn about Java, JavaScript, and etc. etc. But also web programming is kind of fun in some way when we can create our website in based on our imagination. When we man,
Yes.
this web is suck. I want to make a better website from myself, and then we satisfied with our project, and that's a good thing to interest in web programming language.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes.
Have any idea yet, Annabella Sinara?
What?
I mean, what about you?
Can you repeat?
Okay.
In the web programming, we can make a code. We can make a experience.
Maybe what you like is about learning a new thing. Is it what you find it most interesting? Like you learning something new or something like that?
I can make what is coding?
Pardon?
Coding.
Yes, coding is fun.
Yes, coding is fun.
Yes, indeed.
What I find interesting in it is just various things you can do with the coding to make many things happen in those website. That's what I find interesting. Oke, udah berapa menit nih, Agna?
Nggak tahu, nggak bisa lihat menitnya ya?
Kalau dari jam sih tadi mulai jam 18.12, berarti kalau 20 menit kurang ini. Kalau dihitung 20 menitan. kurang 2 menit lagi.
12
Ah,
menitan kan?
yeah.
Kurang 2 menit lagi.
Uh, can I ask the question?
Sure.
I mean, yeah, it's for fun, not and just don't take it too serious.
Yeah.
What thing do you ever make with this programming language from Irfan first? I mean, you know programming language, right? And what is you ever make with this skill?
Okay, first thing is what I ever made is actually I didn't try it for real yet, but I tried in my mind that I have many ideas happening.
It's like the
I have many
sky
ideas and many things to do, such as
and it's
making obviously portfolio for the task from uh, upper person ya.
For the
Ya,
senior.
maksudku dari senior itu ngerjain tugasnya tentu saja bikin portofolio itu dan and I also have an idea to make many things such as trying programming to make my own indie game, but a simple one just as well. My idea to make a new game after I finished magang pelatihan
Oh,
magang is trying to make a game. The title is DuckDuckGo is just simple game as you know dinosaur in Google when you lost
yes.
connection.
Yes.
Yeah, that's just the same thing, but with a duck, not a dinosaur, and that's it. That's it from me.
Okay.
What about you?
What about Sinara? Sinara said she never made something before. So,
Waduh,
So, yeah,
so
very
I'll.
jauh.
I'm asking you. By the way, I'm asking you.
Oh, me.
What?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Uh, I'm. But I've made a lot of things before. I've made a website. I've made a calculator. I've made a cashier app. I've made maybe small games like Word and Snake. Yes, that
Yes,
is,
I am.
and make a digital magazine. So you can read magazine, but in your phone. And then I I I've been participating in some event like coding Olympiad, but never win because yeah, it's so hard to mastering the coding skills. Yeah, but I've made some some much few things from coding. Maybe 6 or 7. I have the portfolio in my GitHub also.
We
Okay.
got some pro his. Everybody, clap your hand.
Yes. I
Is
mean,
it
Yeah,
me?
jangan
uh,
nggak usah dianggap serius ya. Ini cuma Evan.
yeah. I mean, my vocational high school is studying about software engineering. So yeah, pretty much I know about coding and stuff.
Oke, oke. Selanjutnya apaan? Aku nggak kepikiran apa-apa, jujur aja.
Okay. Uh,
Sudah nggak sih?
udah ya.
Harusnya sih udah ya.
Okay.
Buat
Uh,
apa? Namanya itu buat yang
Coba,
video yang satunya.
coba matiin itu recordnya. Coba cek
penutup
berapa
penutup
menit.
dulu dong.
Oh ya juga.
Closing.
Oke.
Moderator.
Oke. I guess that's it for today for this meeting. I mean, so thank you for watching and thank you for joining Agna Naufal and Anabila Sinara. Thank you for participating this meeting. Thank you for everyone who's watching this video and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.